get lost in pieces. You make me levitate. Somebody said it's fate. Somehow you always fix the broken pieces. You are the only thing that is benefit for me. And you are the only one that I ever thought I need. When I'm with you, I'm better forever with you. When I'm with you.
Good morning everyone! It's our second day here in Cebu. Kagabi kami dumating. So as promised, papakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung view dito sa room natin. Ayan. Ayan yung view from the room. Kitang-kita natin yung dagat. And below is the pool. Ganda. So, gising na si Pipoy tsaka si Suril. Baba na tayo. Breakfast na tayo. Good morning!
Malalim kaya yan?
Yung pool? Hindi ko lang sure. Ay, ito na ata. Okay, so we're here at Trade Winds Cafe. Dito nila sinaserve yung breakfast buffet. Let's see what they have here. And they have pizza. And this is oatmeal. And congee. Okay. Iba't ibang toppings that you can use. Oh, interesting. Roasted beetroot. Stir-fried vegetables. Ito, mixed vegetables. Beef stew. Roasted pork with garlic. And potato wedge. Pork sausage. And this is their noodle bar. So, ayan. Pwede ka magpagawa ng sarili mong noodles. And different types of salad. And cold cuts and cheese. Medyo malaki siya ha, paikot to. Greens for your salad. Ayan. Different dressings. This is the omelette station. Morning. And then, mahaba siya actually. Let's go here. Ah, ito pala. Oh my God, Japanese station. Ayan. And there's coffee. Tapos, hi, good morning. Anong juice yan? Orange juice ba? Orange and mango. Okay. And then, ito yung fruits. Cute. Kitty station.
Morning!
Morning. It smells good. Oh, platinum sand. Okay.
Chocolate and chocolate and then topless sprinkles.
Okay, that's cute. Flattened croissants. And then donuts. Yeah. Waffles and pancakes and cereals. They have these toppings then. And then what's this? Ano to? Egg. Okay. croissant, choco muffins. Ang cute naman itong Danish. Yan. Ito pa. And you can toast it here. Ito yung kanilang, what's this? Fijian Lolo buns. And bread pudding. And then over here, they have fried rice. Uy, gusto ko to. Stir-fried noodles. And sikwate. Nice. This is milk. Oh my god. This is good. They have champurrado. At ang bigat nung ang bigat nung takip. Sweet potato. Ito, puto maya. And then, ayan, iba't ibang bread and pandesal. Tinolang isda. And, oh my god, matutuwa si Pipoy dito. Ayan, danggit. Steamed okra and dilis. Di ba sabi ni Pipoy, basta may dilis. So this is ginisang talong, chicken tocino, and pork chorizo. Okay, so I think that's it. Maganda rin yung setup nila rito. Tapos may view dyan. Okay, sige. Tara, kain na tayo. Okay, ito na yung nakuha natin. So we got a little bit of everything. We have the pizza, and then sausage, tapos pancit, fried rice, chicken tocino. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan nito. Basta para rin siyang pork longganisa or something. Yes, thank you. And then the okonomiyaki. Kain na tayo. Okay, let's start. Breakfast na breakfast ang uunahin natin. Pizza. Let's try it. Sarap nga. Let's try the sausage. Sarap ng fried rice nila. May mga napansin lang ako na wala sila doon. Like, walang bacon. Tapos, walang parang hindi ko nakitang, baka hindi ko na napansin, waffle and pancake station for adults. For kids, meron. Try natin to. Ang sarap nun ah. Good. Mahal ah. Tama. I like that. Kamusta ang breakfast?
Sa may mga tuyo.
Yan din sinabi ko kanina nung galing ako doon. Sabi mo, basta may tuyo, okay na yan, pasado. Donut. Ako po, matigas. Matigas. Ito. This one is good. Para matitigas yung bread. Ewan ko lang ito, muffin. Pag hawak ko pala mukhang matigas na eh. Yeah. This one is dry. Danish. Ito masarap. Really good. Okay. Last on our list for today is yung champurrado. Actually, medyo nakakatakot yung kuhaan ng champurrado nila. Kasi di ba pinakita ko kanina, mabigat yung takip. Tapos pag inangat mo siya, wala ring space para ibaba. So, paano pag nabagsak mo yon? And as a person na may carpal tunnel, may mga stations na hindi user-friendly. Tsaka yung Sikwate, di ba, ang bigat din. Tapos mainit yung, yung paligid niya, yung hawakan. So, anyway, reklamo na reklamo. Free breakfast naman to. Okay, champurrado. Ang hinahanap kong champurrado yung lasa ng henan. Ito malabnaw siya. I mean, thick siya, pero paano ba? Thick siya, pero pag nilagyan mo ng gatas, mabilis maghihiwalay. Tapos kulang yung may kulang siya sa akin. Okay, tapos na kami sa breakfast. Merong excited. What are we gonna do? Swimming na kami. See you later! Full day! Swimming na kami! Bye, Daddy! Work ka muna! Bye! Ayan na si Surreal. Ready na.
Yes, I am.
Yes, are you excited? Okay, first glance, up close sa kanilang pool. Hey girl! You need to leave it sa natin. Sa lounge natin. She's really excited. Okay, I'll do it. Go ahead. Just stay in the shallow area, ha? Ang ganda. Huh? It's warm?
Yeah.
Nice. Okay, we can stay here at this part. Okay, let's go swim with Cyril. Come on, let's go there. Ito ata yung kiddie pool, baby. Yeah. Wanna go there? Okay, go. Wow. Oh, it's malambot. It's really kid friendly. How about there? Okay. You wanna try this pool or you wanna there, sa other side? Okay. Oh, the pool is warm. Nice. I like it. Okay, wait for me. I love it. It's warm. Yeah, it's warm. How deep is it? Is it too deep?
Nope.
Yeah? Hi, Siri! It's not deep. Abot mo pa? Tiptoe? You wanna try to see? Hanggang doon? Lakad tayo? Oh, it's malalim for you. One more. Kapit ka kay Mami. Lakad tayo. Let's try to check out the view there. Hi, Siri. So peaceful here. I should have brought the stand. Good morning, Cebu. Oh my God, bumibitaw. Okay, go. Langoy. Can you reach it?
Yeah, it's a
Wow, nice. Okay, laki na talaga ng baby girl ko. Abot niya na pala eh. Okay, wow, ang ganda rito oh. Look. Ang ganda. Ang sarap sigurong dyan. Tumambay dyan pag pa-sunset. I don't know if the sunset is over here though. Maybe.
Baka dyan ba?
Yeah, baka dyan po. Ang ganda. Careful. The pool is huge. Look, hanggang dun pa siya, oh. And where's our room? Oh, too bad we cannot see our room from here. But maybe it's somewhere there. Sa taas. Happy ka? Yeah. You okay? Why are you screaming? Ang ganda talaga. Ang laki ng pool.
No, but
Hi, you can reach it. Pwede rin pa. Okay pa. Salamat. Sige pa. Thank you po. Pwede ka raw magpalit if that's too big. May heart din daw doon. Oh my God. I wish I'm as chill as this girl. Chill, girl, chill. Oh! What's happening to you? Okay, where are you? The heck? Okay, come on. So, if there's one thing talaga na maganda rito kay Dusit Thani, itong infinity pool nila. Yeah, I like it. And it's warm. It's heated. Yeah? What are you doing? Oh no! Are you okay?
I did the 3 times now.
Yeah, you did. Ganda. O, tingnan nyo naman. Doon pa lang, tanaw na agad yung dagat. Nakita ni Sir Will yung bear. So, mag-hi daw siya. Okay, go. Go closer. Okay. Cute. Good afternoon, everyone. It's now 2 p.m. Ang gagawin natin, mamamasyal tayo kahit saan natin gusto dito sa Cebu. This is just a very short trip. 4 days lang kami dito. And there's no definite itinerary kung saan lang natin gusto pumunta. So ngayon, may gustong puntahan si Pipoy. Nostalgic siya eh. Yan. Gusto niya puntahan yung Nick Automatic Store. Tara. Thank you. Hello, good afternoon. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Park Mall. Dito na ata located yung new store ng Nick Automatic. So, hindi na siya dun sa dating pinuntahan namin. Anyway, let's check it out. Wala pala. Di updated sa Google, no? Kailan daw? 3 buwan? Recently lang? Ang tagal na. Oh. Wawa naman. Bawi ka na lang sa sa Nike. Okay, it's lunchtime na, kaya dito tayo sa House of Lechon. Akala namin sobrang haba ng pila. Meron lang palang isang malaking group, like 16 sila. Pero, so far parang real, siya, no? Bukang ito yung real deal so far kasi may mga nakita kong mga turista, no, mga Koreans, tapos ang daming tao. Mukhang mga local sila. So, tingnan natin. Excited ako kung mas masarap to kaysa sa kagabi.
Welcome home to House of Lechon.
Wow!
Good afternoon po.
Good afternoon. Welcome home to House of Lechon.
Hello, good afternoon. Okay, so ito yung menu nila rito sa House of Lechon. Sayang, bestseller daw nila yung spicy, sold out na. So parang totoo nga yung sinabi ng driver kagabi. Di ba sabi niya usually ubos na raw to ng mga hapon?
Mga 2 p.m.
Oo, buti nga may nabuta pa kami kasi 3 p.m. na eh. Ang dami talagang tao rito. Ayan tinan mo lang. Pakita ko, ayan. Para siyang manam of lechon. Okay, so nandito na tayo sa House of Lechon. Dito tayo magla-lunch. Actually, itong Cebu trip namin, it's mainly to relax, matry yung Dusit Thani Resort. It's all about that and lechon. Try as many different restaurants or sellers of lechon as much as possible. So kagabi, nakain natin yung Ayers. Ngayon naman, ito try natin tong House of Lechon. Okay, eto na yung order natin. So, we have the lechon. Tapos, naloka kami sa kanin. Platter daw, pero mini caldero. Yan yung platter nila. Okay, tapos, cheese stick for Cyril. Okay, kain na tayo. Okay, syempre, ang uunahin natin, yung balat. Pero sa hawak pa lang, parang hindi na siya crispy eh. May konti pa. Uy. Malasa din. Thank you. Nag-order din pala kami ng strawberry shake and mango shake. Ay, di pala strawberry, watermelon. Okay, tikman natin. Good. Ito yung straw. Tikman natin yung laman ng lechon. Okay. Here. Sakto lang. Ngayon pa lang. Kaya ko nang sabihin na mas masarap sa akin si Ayer kaysa to. Ikaw, try mo. May lasa yung balat.
Mas masarap kagabi.
Masarap sa iyo, no? Yung laman.
Mas malasa to.
Mas malasa sa'yo. Talaga? Kala ko wala siyang sauce. Meron pala. Ito. Ewan ko lang kung kita, wait. Ayan siya. Masarap yung sauce, ha? It's good. So, pag merong sauce, yung ano niya, nakakadagdag siya sa lasa ng lechon. Ito mas matanglad kumpara kagabi. Yan. Taray, regular. Sa rinig mo, see you tomorrow. Ayer pa rin ako. Okay, tapos na kami dito sa House of Lechon. Ang masasabi ko lang is, sakto lang siya. Malayo to from where we're staying. So, sakto yung pinuntahan namin kanina. Malapit na to. So, na-try din namin siya. Will I try it again? Probably not. Pero, yeah, at least na-try natin siya. Kasi pag nag-search ka ng best lechon in Cebu, #1 to na lumalabas sa Google. Like organic search. Anyway, so yun lang. Let's go to the next stop. Okay, nandito na tayo sa next stop natin, the outlets. So, yan yung mga shop. At syempre, ito ang pinunta ni Pipoy dito. Alright, let's go. Laki.
$800 na lang?
Hindi.
Ay.
Parang
30% discount?
tama ba? Huh? This one. My God, ang dami tao. Grabe, hindi namin kinaya ni Cyril yung tao sa loob. Dami, no? Oh. Where do you wanna go? Yeah. Potato corner. Okay, let's go. Potato corner daw si Cyril. Ang dami pala rito, iba-ibang store. Tingin tayo mamaya, okay? Okay, dito may Adidas. Tara, pasok tayo. Grabe, sobrang daming tao doon sa may Nike. No, baby, no? It's good for the shoes. Mga 30% off. Oh, you okay? $4,440. 37. Let's look at the kids section.
I kind of like shoes now.
What?
I kind of like shoes. I want
Oh, because your dad likes shoes so much. That's too big. What the heck is this? Look. Star Wars. 2,310 only. Oh, this one is cute. Oh, I like it. Oh, 2.8 lang oh. Pati yung mga damit, 60 to 70 off. Nice. Okay, let's get your potato corner. How's your potato corner, ma'am? Good. Hot? Okay. Alright, lakad-lakad tayo. Ah, Boss Coffee. I might buy my favorite cheesecake later. I see it, dulce de leche. Okay. Mga kainan dito.
Saan kayo?
Oh. Ano pala siya, baby? Parang food park na rito banda. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Ayan yung mga ibang stores. So there's World Balance, Crocs, Levi's, Casio, Giordano, and then yung Nike na napakaraming tao. Grabe. Okay, let's cross the street. Ayun lang naman yung gustong tingnan ni Daddy rito eh. Nike and Crocs. Ano? Kamusta ang Nike outlet experience mo?
Yung presyo, mga less lang ng mga 1,000, 2,000.
Pero ang lala ng dami ng tao. Grabe, parang wala ka na makilusan.
Kasi yung floor, sobrang daming box na pa. Yung mga sapatos, kalat-kalat.
Grabe, chaotic. Oh, anyway, ang second mong pinunta rito, ito na. Sa Crocs. Oh, sige, pasok ka na.
Uy, Mickey Mouse.
O ano, uwi na? Tara? Okay, so ganyan namin inubos ang second day namin dito. Uwi na kami. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye!